Hey guys, it's Kaisha and I'm here to show you guys how I normally prep for a show. So I personally like to prep at home just because I feel like I can spread out and listen to music and just really like truly soak in the time before a show gets ready to start. Now I also do enjoy getting ready at the theater as well because there's lots of fun and shenanigans in the dressing room. I mean, let's just be honest. But there are times where I do like to get ready at home, and so that's what I'm doing today. And I'm going to show you guys the behind the scenes. So here we go. All right, to make things easy, I'm just gonna start with hair because my hair is pretty simple and it doesn't take a lot of time, so let's start with that. I am wearing my hair in an asymmetrical style for this show, so basically the hair is going off to the side. So I slept on it last night. It's looking a little bit dry, but that's okay. So honestly, you know, I used to be scared to like spritz my hair with water because I'm like, ooh, frizz. Whatever, she needs to be moisturized. I just start off by spritzing with a little water. I take the Jane Carter solution, this Nourish and Shine. Guys, this is everything. I've been using this product for years and I love it. I'm just gonna take this much. I'm gonna put it in the palm of my hand. Hear that? That's heat. That's heat. So we're just gonna take it and put it all over my hair. So these that are like flat twists basically going up, we're just gonna pause on these for a second. All right, so she's still looking just a tad dry to me, and it's okay because, you know, hair gets dry. So you just have to moisturize it again, you know? It's time for me to do another wash and deep condition and all that stuff, but I just have not had time in the past couple of days. So we're gonna fake it until we make it, okay? Yes. So wham, just like that, this side is done. We are pretty much ready to go. On this side, what I'm gonna do is just retwist the flat twists. And honestly, these aren't even like full flat twists. Like at first I had them like flat twisted, like actually flat twisted, but these are actually like more like flat twist rolls versus individual flat twists. If you guys wonder why I'm looking over here, it's a mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest one of all? So I'm just taking some of this. This is Cantu's Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel, another staple I have been using for years. I love it because it's cheap. I literally, if I get it from Target, I know for sure in the DMV, I can get it for like $4.99. Dwayne Reed be playing games. They be trying to charge like $7.99, $8.99, stuff like that, and I'm like, that's $4.99. So anyway, I just put a little bit on and then I twist it on up. I'm gonna pin it. Then this end, because it's not like crinkly how I want it to be, I'm just gonna twist it back. So just give me a quick sec. I'm gonna redo these two and I'm gonna come right back. All right guys, so I have these twisted now, and what I'll do more of later is put, well, once I take these twists out, I'm gonna put more bobby pins in there to make sure it all stays in the right place. And I gotta fix that one because you can kind of see it, but anyway. So for now, while I do my makeup, I'm just gonna simply use my clip to pin all of the hair out of my face. All right, so I wet my beauty blender I actually don't know if this is called a beauty blender. It might just be called a makeup sponge because it's in a different shape, but I love it. And believe it or not, it is clean. It's just a little bit hard to get all the makeup out all the time. It didn't get my deep soak, it just got my rinse today, so you know. I use Makeup Forever's Ultra HD foundation. This makeup is great under the lights and I honestly swear by it. So I'm gonna put this all over my face. So here we go. So now that the foundation is done, I'm going to do my concealer. I use Makeup Forever's Ultra HD. You might notice a trend here. Love their concealer, love their foundation. Again, great under the lights. So here we go. Can you feel the love tonight? This is where we are. Okay, I'm singing the wrong lyrics, but okay. Every time I do my concealer, I'm like, I could be in the Lion King. I feel like this is just, yeah. Okay, so in full disclosure, I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to contouring. I have no idea. No idea. So I usually let one of my castmates contour my face because baby, listen, I don't know what I'm doing, but I do love a good highlight. So, I mean, truth be told, I don't know what I'm doing with my whole face, but you know, production team didn't say, look, we need you to do better on your makeup, so I'm assuming it's fine. I just take this fan brush because I love how it puts the highlight a little bit of everywhere. You just want to glow. And I really love that with this particular blush that I have from Nars, it has like a gold shimmer in it. So when I have the gold like highlight or whatever, and I kind of put it together with this shimmer, I don't know how good you guys can see that, like it all works really well together. Right now I just have a lip moisturizer on because I like to do my lip when I get to the theater so that it's really fresh. So I'm actually going to stop. The only other thing that I'm going to do to my face, I need to do some more to my brows to make them a little bit more dramatic. But this is pretty much the look, guys. I don't really do much more past this except for my lip. And for my lip, where are you, girl? Okay, so this is my lip and my lip pencil. So they are both from MAC. This is Night Moth, the lip pencil. And then this is Instigator. So this lovely dark purple. So I'm not gonna put the lip on right now, but I'm gonna include some pictures at the end of the video so you can see what the full look looks like, because also these twists are not dry yet. I have to wait for them to dry, and then there are a couple of other things that I wanna do. So like, for example, if I had to run errands, I would simply just throw on like a quick lip gloss, or just leave my lips bare, like it's not that deep. I have these that I really love. These are by Rimmel. And so I would just pop this on. And be out. I do have a couple of quick last minute things that I do to my face like I told you guys, but I use Urban Decay All Nighter or D-Slick. So yeah, I just spray. And this is the look, guys. So up close, this is what she looks like. And yeah, what I'm gonna do, like I said, is finish those things up at the theater and we're ready to go. I will definitely show you guys the finished look in some pictures. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will catch you on the next one. All right, guys, I had to come back for a quick second just to show you that I did some eyeliner. And this is not something I normally do because in the past, when I've tried to do eyeliner, it'll mess up my whole look and I'll have to start all the way over. So I use this. I don't even know who it's by, to be honest, because all of the writing is basically off. Tarte, maybe? I don't know. I use this. I've used the pencil side. That's not the pencil side. The pencil side for like my actual eyeliner, but I did it on top and it's not too shabby. So I use the liquid side for the top. First time I'm doing it, so I gotta perfect it because the left side is shaky. Don't look at that side, look at this side. This side was better. And I did a little bit more with my eyebrows as well. I used the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I usually use the pencil, and some days when I'm feeling like making this work, I use the brow pomade or whatever. I filled them in a little bit more. I think it's not looking exactly how I want it to look because it is time for me to get my eyebrows threaded. My eyebrows get really, really long, so I have to make sure I thread them every 5 weeks in order for like it to work when I'm filling them in, because if not, they fill themselves in because they are so long. So yeah, that's a good problem to have. I'm not complaining, so I just have to, like, you know, go get those done. But anyway, guys, that's it for real. I'm gonna catch you.